Netfuel Digital Private Limited. Top 7 digital asset which can make you millionaire in 1 year. We will start this with the famous quote on assets and liabilities by Robert T. Kiyosaki. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Some other quotes about assets and liabilities by Robert T. Kiyosaki. The rich acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. The only difference between a rich person and a poor person is how they use their money. The best way to get rich is to start building assets. Liabilities are money drains. Assets are money creators. The more assets you have, the more money you will make. Next, assets and liabilities quote by Baren Buffe. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes money out of your pocket. The sooner you learn this, the sooner you will gain financial freedom. Now we discuss how top 7 digital asset which can make you millionaire in 1 year. 1. Website and blog. 5 steps to make money from website and blog. 1. Choose a profitable niche. 2. Create high quality content. 3. Promote your website or blog. 4. Build an audience. 5. Sell products or services. 2. Ebooks. 5 steps to make money from ebooks. 1. Choose a profitable niche. 2. Write a compelling and valuable ebook. 3. Set an appropriate pricing strategy. 4. Leverage effective marketing strategies. 5. Optimize distribution channels. 3. Email, WhatsApp and Telegram list. Top 5 ways to make money from email, WhatsApp, and Telegram lists. 1. Selling products or services. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Selling advertising space. 4. Selling memberships. 5. Selling courses or coaching. 4. Social media followers. 5 ways to make money by social media followers. 1. Selling sponsored posts. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Selling your own products or services. 4. Selling advertising space. 5. Becoming a brand ambassador. 5. Content, video, and image stock. 4 ways to make money with content, video, and image stock. 1. Selling your content on stock websites. 2. Licensing your content to businesses. 3. Creating a subscription-based service. 4. Creating a course or workshop. 6. YouTube channel. 5 steps to making money from a YouTube channel. 1. Create a YouTube channel. 2. Create high-quality content. 3. Get enough views. 4. Monetize your channel. 5. Other ways to monetize your channel. There are a few different ways to monetize your channel, including overlay ads. These are ads that appear as banners at the bottom of your videos. Channel memberships. These allow your viewers to become members of your channel and get access to exclusive content and benefits. Super chat. This allows your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted in your live chat. Super stickers. This allows your viewers to pay to send animated stickers in your live chat. 7. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. They can represent anything from art, music, and videos to virtual real estate and in-game items. NFTs are unique and cannot be replaced. NFTs can be bought and sold on NFT marketplaces, and they can also be used to represent ownership of digital assets. Here are some of the things that can be represented as NFTs. 1. Art. NFTs can be used to represent ownership of digital art, such as paintings, photographs, and sculptures. 2. Music. NFTs can be used to represent ownership of digital music, such as songs, albums, and mixtapes. 3. Videos. NFTs can be used to represent ownership of digital videos, such as movies, TV shows, and music videos. 4. Virtual real estate. NFTs can be used to represent ownership of virtual real estate in games and other online worlds. 5. In-game items. NFTs can be used to represent ownership of in-game items, such as weapons, armor, and pets. If you want a digital asset, please contact Netfuel Digital Private Limited. SF:05, Delta City Center, Delta 1 Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India 201308. Email info@netfueldigital.com. Contact number +91 9,818,295,888. www.netfueldigital.com.